Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this Amazon Fire TV 32-inch. This is the 2- series. Here's everything that comes in the box. We get a remote, we get batteries, 2 AAA batteries, the mounts, the screws, and a manual. So let's be sure and take off all the plastic around the TV. Now here's what the bottom of the TV looks like. This is the infrared sensor for the remote. There is a power button here, so if you lose the remote, we're going to mount the legs. Here's what the back of it looks like. The power cord is permanently installed, so there's no unplugging it. We've got a 5-foot long power cord. We can mount it to the wall, and everything we need, we got optical, Ethernet, USB, cable antenna, like for if you have an external antenna, HDMI 1, 2, number 3 is ARC. We also have an infrared emitter and a headphone jack. So the number 3 is the ARC, that's the audio return channel. So if you've got like a sound bar, you're gonna put it in there. The USB is 5 volts, so 0.5 amps or 500 milliamps. So here's where the mounts go. There is one for the left and one for the right. You can have them pointed. I'm gonna have mine that way. You could point them the other way. Okay, so the TV stands on with it on the mounts 19 inches. Left to right, 28.5 inches. And it is a 32-inch diagonally. Now the legs need about 22.5 inches table to sit on. And then front to back, they need approximately 8 inches. The thickest part is down at the bottom. And let's see, right there, 3 inches thick. Okay, here's what the remote looks like. It does have Talk to Alexa. You can press this button and speak to it. We've got some home button, fast forward, volume up, channel, some quick reaction buttons. So let's slide this open and put the 2 AAA batteries in. So I'm going to stack them on top of each other, the positive going towards the top. There's the infrared sensor. We're going to plug it in and turn it on. Okay, let's turn it on. And it did turn on. There is a little light there to let you know that you're pressing a button right there. And that's been a couple minutes. Let's let it boot up. Here's a diagram of all. There's an LED indicator. There's the microphone right there in the middle. Right there, that's what you're going to speak into. There's the Alexa voice button. Select, navigation, home, back. Fast forward, channel up and down, volume is right here. Menu or settings, recents, mute, and then application buttons. Okay, looks like we're to this screen right here. I'm just going to press the center button, which is select. Okay, now it's checking for updates. It did connect to my internet. Now when the TV's on, there is a little light right here. And it says the TV is going to restart now. It says it's unable to do the update, so I'm going to unplug it and plug it back in. Okay, so I hit the power button, turned it on again. Okay, so it's checking for updates again. Okay, this time it worked. So it allowed me to log in. So it asked me if I wanted parental controls. I said no. Now it's got like a screen here that tells you things. I'm just hitting the center button for got it. I don't have channels, so I don't want to set that up. I don't have an antenna hooked up to the back there, so put no. Okay, so we're at the home button. This is the home. Now I can scroll down. These are recommended free movies. Next, on now. I can add different apps, so if you go home, click home. Okay, so when you're on that home button, these are the apps you can install, this line of apps. So if I want to go to Netflix, Prime TV, Freevee, YouTube, Disney Plus, I can manage those by going on this, hit that one right there, and now I can add whichever ones I want. Or if I should have system updates, install update. So it looks like it's trying to redo that update that it that it tried to do earlier. So now it's powering off all on its own, and it should power back up. Yeah, it's doing a different update now, it looks like. Okay, that update took about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, I'm going to demonstrate this button. You don't have to say the word Alexa or anything. You just have to press and hold that and speak into it. So I'm going to press play country western movies, then let up. And then it gives you the search results. I can tell it things like volume up, mute, turn TV off. There it goes. Let's try the reverse. Turn TV on. Yeah, it works. And then these buttons right here, if I want to go right to Netflix, I just press that button. Now I'll scroll over. You can do searches. Behind enemy lines. There, and that gives me the top. There's the movie Behind Enemy Lines. So that's pretty cool. Let's go back. My stuff. Now, if you plug the other stuff in, keep going to the left. This is all your inputs. You have HDMI 1, 2, and 3. 3 is the ARC. We have antenna and the media player. And there's live TV. It gives you what's playing right now, live TV. So pretty neat stuff. I'd say the colors look really good. It's very clear. I've got the lights. It is kind of bright in here. And I think it just looks, it's a really nice TV. It's 720p, so it's not 4K or 1080p, but it is high definition, just 720p. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.